Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a radar chart on your WPS presentation on the mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below we just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a radar chart on your WPS presentation mobile, I'm just going to show. So first of all, you just open the blank slide here. Otherwise, just click on this icon option and you will see an option for insert. And here you just need to scroll down and you will see an option called chart. Click on the stated option. Now just change the column chart option to the radar chart. On the last section, click this. Now you have a 4 different themes of sets here. You can just insert it and just click on this radar chart and click OK option, which actually insert. You can see the radar chart has been inserted and you can just expand it and you just can place here. And you can just edit the data by clicking on the edit data option. So you can just add you can just edit the data and click OK option. So you can just make a tab here and you can just tab and you can just change the data and click OK option. Now the data will be automatically changed and you will see an option to switch the row and column on the bottom section. And if you just need to change the theme section, click on this icon option. You can just change the theme color of the top. You can just change like this. And this is how you just insert a radar chart on your WPS presentation on the mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.